Welcome to the Startup Journey, a comprehensive video series that will guide you through the entire lifecycle of building and growing a successful startup. In this episode, we'll explore the startup process, from ideation to launch. We'll cover everything you need to know to turn your business idea into a reality. The startup process can be broken down into several key stages. First, we'll show you how to generate innovative business ideas that solve real problems and meet market demands. Next, we'll delve into the crucial step of validating your idea to ensure it has a viable market. Then, we'll guide you through the process of creating a solid business plan that will serve as your roadmap to success. Learn how to secure funding for your venture, whether through venture capital, angel investors, or crowdfunding. Building the right team is crucial. Discover strategies to recruit and retain top talent. Finally, we'll walk you through the steps to successfully launch your startup and make a memorable entrance into the market. Once your startup is up and running, it's essential to focus on effective business operations. We'll help you decide on the right business structure, whether it's a sole proprietorship, LLC, or corporation. Learn the best practices for managing your finances, from budgeting to taxation. Discover powerful marketing and sales strategies to attract and retain customers. Efficient inventory management is key to meeting demand without overstocking or running out of essential supplies. Excellent customer service builds customer loyalty. We'll show you how to provide exceptional support. As your startup matures, it's time to focus on growth and strategy. Scaling requires careful planning. Explore strategies for sustainable growth. Entering new markets can be daunting. Learn the steps to expand your reach successfully. Innovation is essential. Discover how to create and launch new products or services. Managing finances during growth phases is critical. Get insights into financial strategies for expansion. Stay competitive by crafting a robust strategy that sets you apart from the competition. In our case studies segment, we'll bring you real-world inspiration. Hear from accomplished entrepreneurs about their experiences, insights, and lessons learned. We'll analyze case studies of startups that went from small beginnings to thriving businesses. Sometimes, the path to success is riddled with obstacles. We'll explore stories of resilience and overcoming failure. Finally, we'll share valuable tips and advice to keep you motivated and empowered. Stay inspired with practical tips for maintaining your entrepreneurial spirit. Learn strategies to manage stress and prevent burnout, crucial for your well-being. Discover a wealth of resources to support your entrepreneurial journey, from books to online communities. Whether you're just starting or looking to grow your existing startup, the Startup Journey is your ultimate guide to success. Stay tuned for more insightful episodes. Don't miss out on this incredible journey. Subscribe to our channel and don't miss new videos and updates. Thank you for joining us on the Startup Journey.